Telstra Smart Modem Bridge Mode Setup. So you're gonna have to connect or open your browser so that you can log into your modem settings. So to get these credentials or your login details, you're gonna go ahead to your modem, and it's usually at the back of the model where there's a label. You can take a look at the IP address. You'll be using that to input this in your search bar, so you can actually enter the login screen, and you will also see your default admin and password in these labels. But if you have already logged in and changed it, then you can go ahead and finish up that process first. But if not, you can go ahead to your browser, type in the IP address that we mentioned, but with http:// and then the IP address, which is in our case 192.168.0.1, or you could usually just type in my modem as well. So when you're doing this, make sure your device is connected to the modem, or else you won't be able to actually log in to the website. But once you are, just go ahead and input your username and your password. You can go ahead into your modem settings, and you're gonna have to find an option that says access control. The UI will look somewhat different depending on your version, but find something like access control and an option that says bridge mode. So in bridge mode, you're gonna go ahead and either toggle it on or off, whichever option you're trying to do. And if there is another option that says apply, then you can do that as well. So you can turn enable on for Gen 4 or select bridge modem and press enable for Gen 3. Choose apply and allow the modem to restart, since bridge mode disables the modem's routing functions and mobile backup. And if you haven't already, you can go ahead and connect your modem to the other device you're trying to do this in, since that's pretty much what your bridge mode is for. So connect your router's WAN or internet port to a LAN port on the Telstra modem. And you're going to have to restart both devices. And if you can also do a setup with your other devices. Let's say a TP-Link device, you can do it on the TP Deco app, and it's going to pretty much depend on what device or brand you are using, but the process should be somewhat similar. And if you want to remove the bridge mode for later, Telstra does say a factory reset is generally the easiest method, but it will erase the modem settings as well. But that's pretty much one way you can do a bridge mode setup with your Telstra Smart Modem. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.